Okay, big national weather story. We've got a snowstorm really just drilling the East Coast. Take a look at what it looks like to just be driving down a road in Connecticut. What's amazing about this is so many million Americans are going to be impacted by this nor'easter. Take a look at this. Washington, D.C., all the way back to New York and Buffalo, Scranton, New York City, Boston, all snow, tons of snow. So this morning, area of low pressure creeping up the seaboard, cold air starting to push in behind it. Now everything gets squeezed into the area currently, and the system will continue to pull out of the northeast over the next day or so. But we're talking about up to 2 feet of snow in and around New York City. This could really have a major impact on this entire corridor. And keep in mind, the winds could also be 30 to 50 miles per hour. Huge storm. We're watching it. Take a look at this, our Questo Peak time lapse. You can see the sun kind of tracing through the skies, which filled up with some clouds today, but mostly of the high cloud variety. We also had some clouds streaming through the south coast as well. Though it was still a pretty decent day in terms of daytime highs. We're still at 57 degrees at Avila Beach right now with light winds. Take a look at this. This is a look at Santa Barbara on the Mesa, 57 degrees, west-southwest winds at 8 miles per hour. Elsewhere, temperatures also pretty mild. We are at 65 in Cuyama and 63 for us at Santa Ynez, 60 Cambria, 56 San Luis, 59 in Paso Robles. In Lompoc, we have 56 degrees. There's a bit of a breeze up here along the Temblor Range and out on the 41, 46 up in North County, but otherwise not that much. So we had a little frontal boundary. We have another one up here. The thing is, they both kind of look like they're falling apart. So as we go into the early overnight, this first system kind of falls apart. There's another front trying to get in here tomorrow afternoon. That too, most of the emphasis will be to the north. The track is just too far north to give us a really good chance of robust rain. I'm not saying we're not going to see a few showers. Our model shows some low clouds pushing in overnight and early tomorrow. Mist, drizzle, all possible with this. But the best chance is going to be with the frontal boundary pushing through the area later on tomorrow into early Wednesday. But again, higher elevations have a better chance than lower elevations here. We're looking at very little rainfall. I think we're looking at maybe a few hundredths of an inch here and there, and anything south of Santa Maria looks very, very scant. Last week, this was looking good. It was looking like a quarter of an inch up to an inch of rain. But the thing is, the track is everything. And after that, it looks extremely quiet in February. We need more rainfall. I know that sounds crazy to say when you have 5 to 15 inches of rainfall with one 3-day storm. But February is prime time for us, and we're going to take the first half of this month essentially off in terms of significant rainfall. So we never covered the full deficit for the season. We're going to build on that deficit a little bit in this upcoming forecast. Overnight lows, mid-40s, daytime highs tomorrow, low 60s. And again, more cloud cover streaming into the area, especially near the coast. But I'd say inland and south, it looks more like a partly cloudy day. Now, Cambria, the north coast, does have a better chance than places further south, seeing some showers in the afternoon. But low 60s would be about it. And there's not a lot of site-to-site difference in this forecast, except for the south coast, where temperatures will be a little warmer because that front never really pushes through there. Wednesday, kind of a breezy day. We'll see a little more sun, but temperatures take a hit. The weekend features temperatures rebounding back up to about 70 degrees. You know, February weather.